Ready? Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Look, it's right up there in the building. But look at this. This is the thing that started the big craze of cool cars. This is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. It is Colonial Cream, not Kernel Cream, Colonial Cream.
He kept calling it Kernel Cream earlier.
I was thinking corn kernel, yellow, I don't know. I lost my mind. It's okay, it's back. We got Colonial Cream with white exterior, two-tone cream cloth with vinyl interior, upgraded white face gauges, they're digital too. There's an auxiliary entertainment screen. I love vintage air, and thank God this has it. It's vintage AC, power front disc brakes, power steering, spring over shock suspension, nice. Stainless steel exhaust system, new Cragar SS's, BFGs all the way around, and that's BF Goodrich for you kids staying along at home. And this is also a really, really nice restoration. There's a lot of money in this restoration, a lot more than we even want to discuss.
Yeah, there was a...
You can tell, job quality.
Extremely nice car.
Very nice car. Let's pop it.
Also, this massive chrome bumper is awesome.
I like to be genteel. Look, oh, look.
Stickerage.
You know you love stickerage.
Full-size spare. Tools back there. Got all the Bel Air floor mats and cup holders if you want them.
Look at that.
But look how nicely painted this trunk is, and everything back here is.
It's a cool trunk. You can tell it's a quality build.
Yeah, this thing's flawless.
Not Kernel, but Colonial Cream. And it's another big door. Oh.
Want to pop this out?
I do. Hold on, I want this door to hit you. Okay, it's not hitting you. Whoa, look at this. Jake, there's all kinds of stuff.
There's air conditioning.
There's a 12-volt battery. Oh, look, there's a cutoff. It's neat looking.
We need that to start it.
Oh, by the way, we need that to start it. Power brakes.
Very nice.
Don't you love power brakes?
Power steering, right?
Power steering, power brakes, front disc, rear drum. Very nice.
Ready to start it?
I am. There we go. Here you are, Jake. Let's go.
Okie dokie.
Hi.
Sorry, we had some technical difficulties.
It's gonna happen.
We're at our flyby spot because we already kind of filmed this video, but the one GoPro on the windshield wasn't turned on.
Stupid GoPro.
It started and then stopped for whatever reason, so we're gonna do a loop in the Bel Air again.
Yes, we are, and then we can talk about it yet again.
And now we can just show off how reliably this thing can start and stop and just keep driving and driving and driving.
And it's an extremely nice ride. But we've already discussed that, but we're discussing it again because
we're gonna discuss it again.
And I'm using this knob.
Yes, he's using that knob on the steering wheel very nicely.
On the steering wheel. What is that smell? That smell was something else.
Oh, someone's smoking the ganj.
Yes, they are.
We're not.
Not us.
We're in a Bel Air.
We're driving a Colonial Cream Bel Air.
Colonial
not
Cream.
Colonel, Colonial.
And nice updated radio here in the middle.
Yes.
There's the vents for your AC down there. The vintage air system is right there to the left. Very nicely integrated into the dash to where it doesn't even look like it's new stuff, which I like. There's the touchscreen head unit up there. I've not messed with it yet, so I don't know all the functions it has, but it's very cool. It's got a clock, but you also have the factory clock over here and the Bel Air badge,
which is a cool looking clock.
Radio works nice. Big old steering wheel. And the exhaust sounds good on this.
Sounds fantastic.
For just a 283 and a Powerglide, sounds good, drives better. I mean, it's so comfy. Oh, we got to put our lap belts back on. You already did.
Oh, I did because...
Sorry, I'm behind.
We put on seat belts now. It was probably not a smart thing, just driving without seat belts.
Got my lap belt on.
Safety. Especially if kids are watching, God forbid.
Making a right-hand turn. Beautiful hood. Space age hood ornaments. Colonial Cream. Not Kernel Cream, as Chris accidentally called it.
Oh, God. It was fun. I was laughing, Jim was laughing, we all laughed.
You got the newer gauges over here that look awesome.
They do. They got everything in 3 gauge clusters, volts, RPMs, fuel, and speedo in one.
Yeah, those are Dakota Digital, right?
I believe they are, but
I think they are
wonderful.
They're
and they
digital.
Look kind of vintage like this car. Which
yeah, they fit the aesthetic of the car. Now the outside's yellow and white, but you got mostly black on here, on the interior, on the dash at least. Black and chrome, nice black carpet. Cool.
How about that headliner?
Headliner's beautiful. Nice dome light. It looks perfectly cinched everywhere, which is nice. Beautiful yellow and black seats.
We're driving on rather bumpy road, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, this is a very bumpy road.
This will knock your teeth. It just loosens your fillings. Not in a 57 Chevy Bel Air with an upgraded suspension.
No, this thing's floating along.
Oh my gosh. I've driven a Cobra down the street, maybe at 40 miles an hour, maybe more.
Yeah, Cobras aren't as fun on this road.
No, they hurt your face. But this is just a big, smooth driver.
This is very nice, and you have big back seats for real people.
Real folks. Folksy folks.
Folksy folks. You could fit 4 comfortably with seat belts in this thing. 5 if you want to live on the edge. 6 if you really want to get out there. But we'd all be comfortable still. Plenty of room. It's a big car. They didn't make small 57 Chevys.
No, there was no compact. I mean, this might have been the compact with only 2 doors instead of 4.
Yeah, maybe like the 150 might have been smaller, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, that one, remember? That was a nice car.
That was a 55 though.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Yeah, this is 57.
I know the one because you fell in love with it.
Yes, I did.
I was like, wow, you want to get rid of the Prelude for that? Yes. I'm like, that is such an interesting move.
But the dash, great condition, painted black. Let's do a little bean test here, I guess.
This is our normal bean test, folks. Oh, wow.
Took the bump like a champ.
2-speed Powerglide. There you go.
There's
We're
the second speed.
And it's just wonderful. It's smooth as silk.
You don't need more than 2 speeds.
Plenty of power.
This thing's for going across the country a very long distance in comfort.
Easily.
With AC that's blowing extremely cold on my legs.
With the doors open and the windows open, rather.
Nice upgraded radio. You can listen to music. I'm sure there's Bluetooth somewhere in this system.
Oh, sure. That thing hooks up.
Yeah.
Looks like a tape player, too.
Very nice car.
Very beautiful car. It's Space Age 57 Colonial Cream Chevy with
And
white.
now we're turning into our flyby spot for the second time. Although this time both GoPros are recording, so
yay!
Hopefully we're good.
And there was much rejoicing.
There was much rejoicing. Very nice.
All right, here we are. Now it's time for Jake to do a legendary flybys.
Yeah, and I'm actually excited to hear what it sounds like because this exhaust sounds good. When you started it up, it was rumbly.
Oh, it's rumbly and you're tumbling.
All right, let's do it.
I'll take your microphone and your camera that is still working perfectly. Oh, wow. New Cragars. There he goes, Mr. Cragar. You know, it's funny. I mean, it goes by just fine, sounds great. But the other day I saw a Super Snake go down that street, and it was going in a hurry. And then an 08 Z06, also in a hurry. And then, you know, 57 Chevys, there it goes. It's cruising on by, the way it should be. Oh, there's those beautiful lights. Beautiful.
You know what I like about a 2-speed Powerglide?
Tell me.
When it shifts, you don't say it shifts into second. You say it shifts into its other gear.
That's right.
It's the only other gear that it has.
The last 2 days, you drove a Super Snake with 825 horsepower and a Z06 with 505. When you went flying by, you went flying by. This one,
it cruised by.
And it's just such a difference in speed.
Yeah, we should have called them cruise bys instead of flybys.
This one is a cruise, but you know what?
It's
a beautiful cruiser. You don't appreciate what this looks like and what it is, and this isn't a car for you.
Yeah, I love this car. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.